Good morning, guys. Uncle Mike 392 out here at Santa Fe Cattle Company this morning, the car show. Saturday morning, third weekend. I'm just going to show you what's on. I'm going to film all the way around. I'm just going to let you guys see what's out here this morning, okay? Give you a little 360, just turn around. So I'm going to start right here at this Corvette and work my way all the way around to the other end over there. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday morning. This is Uncle Mike 392 out here. I'm coming to this one. I'm already here at this one, and I'm going to go to another one on the other side of town. And we're going to get some good content for you guys this weekend. All right? Hey, good morning. How y'all doing? All right. Got to get y'all on here. Oh, you selling your Thunderbird? Why? You selling your Thunderbird? I'm gonna put it on my channel. Maybe somebody will call you.
There you go.
You got the price and your number on the. Okay, I got it. I'll get you.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I get it. Hey guys, he got this Thunderbird for sale.
Right.
Give you some information on it. There you go. It's called the Bird. Right up to 25,000 miles. Right. This beautiful Thunderbird. It's nice. I've been filming this Thunderbird out here at the car show for the last 3 years, since I started my channel 3 years ago. All right, guys, let's continue on, shall we? Let's keep it moving and grooving and shaking and baking. Come on. I think you guys seen my video with the airplanes at Tinker Airport. That's where I filmed right across the street over there. That's where they are, right over across the street. All those planes over there, I filmed some of my videos, guys. Check out Uncle Mike 392 and check out Tinker Air Force Base, airplanes and POWs. It'll be in that video. I filmed it about 3 weeks ago now. Let's go. This is a 1975 Avante. How you say that, Avante? Hey, you gotta see this. Come here. Right.
I probably know the guy you bought this from there. I used to work with him.
All right, let's keep it going, guys. Check out this bit. Good morning, gentlemen. How y'all doing?
Doing okay.
What happened to the guy that used to sell honey out here? You used to park right here and sell honey. You don't come here no more?
I haven't seen him.
Really? Okay. You guys have a great day.
Okay, you too.
There used to be a guy out here, I forgot his name, but he used to sell honey out here every coffee and cars out here at the Santa Fe Cattle Company. He was out here selling honey. Ooh, these cars look good. Look at this. Old school. Good morning, sir. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Fine. Thank you. Good morning, sir. How you doing? Can I film inside, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. Check out the engine on this bad boy. Look at that engine on that thing. That is nice. I like that. Let me go around this. This is nice. This is nice. What year is this, sir? This is 1932, guys. This is beautiful. Check out the inside of it. I like it. There's the other side of this beautiful engine. It's nice. That's a big turn. That's a bigger turnout than it was last month in April. All right, let's keep going, shall we? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love these old classics. Oklahoma, Okie, Ride. Okay. This is nice. I like this. This is a Nomad? It is.
Yes.
1957. There we go. Check that out, guys. You got a little plaque right here. 1957 Nomad. Check that engine out, man. You got a plaque back there in the back, too. I'm liking this. Nice. Here's another big V8, old Ford V8. You guys know I make my videos kind of long because I love details, man. I like filming details because a lot of people, like myself, I've learned since I've been started my YouTube channel, a lot of people like the details of cars. That's why I take my time to do the detail. Some guys just brisk through the, when they go to go, they just brisk through it. I'm not like that. I love to just take my time. And I listen to my subscribers in my comment section. They say they want me to slow down and show more details of the car. And I started that when I first started my channel. We got a little lineup here. Good morning, sir. Got a little lineup. What's going on, brother? Hello, baby. Good morning, sir. Like the way that sound is. Skyline. GTS. What's that? GTST. Skyline. Right there. Look at this coming. There you go. Mustang Skyline, Mark 1. I like it. Love it. Yes, sir. I love it out here. All right, let's continue on, shall we? It's going down this way. We're going to go around. We're going to go around the outskirts and come back in. Check this out. This is nice, man. Look at that engine on this thing, man. Woo. That's a big engine. Such a small little car. Holly. Coming in. Still coming in. I keep turning around, guys, because I don't have, I have to watch people coming behind me. That's why I keep turning around. Look at that. Look at that thing, man. Hellcat. It says Hellcat on it. I like that Hellcat. That's one of them old school Hellcats. The tires on that thing, boy. Yeah, I gotta turn around and watch my back. That's why I keep turning around, guys. Gotta watch myself. These guys come through here, they looking for a parking space and they not looking at me. They trying to find a parking space, and I gotta watch my back. Cause I work by myself, you know. I don't have no spotter behind me or in front of me, so I work alone. So I gotta protect my back and my front and my both sides. So yes, sir. So let's continue on, shall we? Let's go. We're gonna do the outskirts. We're gonna stay out here on the outskirts. Then we'll come in. Got a duster over here. Look at this duster over here. 340 duster. I'm liking that duster. Mopar. Let's go get this duster over here, man. I ain't seen a duster in a minute. So. What's going on, brother?
How you doing?
I'm doing all right. How you doing? This yours?
Yeah.
Beautiful, man.
Thank you.
Oh, you got wheelie bars back here too. You racing?
Yeah.
Down the valley?
All over the place.
All over the place, huh? Okay. I'll put you on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
You did
Raced it in Bristow. They had a deal, all Mopar deal up in Bristow last weekend, and they shut down the 66 and drag raced on it.
Oh, okay. How'd you do?
Did okay.
There you go.
Not a lot of traction.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Good morning, ma'am. How you doing? Fine, thank you. Mopar or no car? There you go. I like that. That's that Mach 1 just came in. It's amazing these little cars got these big engines in them. That amazes me. To this day. I mean, I see it all the time because I'm a YouTuber. I see, small cars, big engines, but I still get amazed by how they do that, man. How they get all that engine in that little chassis.
That was me. Yeah, I was in the white. Yeah, back in the day. Yeah. I mean, that's been a while. Yeah.
Got the Grim Reaper on here.
Yeah.
Whose is this?
Mine.
That's beautiful, man. Is this a Grim Reaper?
Yeah. The car's called the Reaper.
The Reaper. That's the name of the car. It's the Reaper, guys. I'm putting you on my YouTube channel. I'm a YouTuber.
Yeah, I knew you were.
Oh yeah, you seen it? Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got a card?
It's on my head. Just
Okay.
people usually just take a picture of my head. $3.92. Yes, sir. Which one is yours, sir?
Mine's that black and white, old 27 over there.
I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get all of them on here eventually.
All right.
Every time I think I'm done, they keep coming in. That's good.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Yeah, that's just more content for my channel.
Yeah. Exactly.
This is nice. I love this color on this thing. What is that? Like a teal. Teal. That's nice. Let me get a thumbnail of that.
Yeah, let's get out of
Oh,
here.
you can. No, you good. So I didn't mean.
Yeah, man, you're not interrupting us, man. We're just shooting shit this morning.
I remember when I pulled up beside you. Yeah. I tell myself.
Let me get another angle of this one.
Yeah.
There you go. All right. All right, this is the last one on this side. Now I'm going to start working on the inside. All right, there we go. Let's go over here. We're just going to work our way around. Leaving no stone unturned. I'm going to another car show, but that's in another hour. I got a whole hour before I have to be over there, so. And that's way on the other side of town. That's almost in Edmond. where I gotta go from here, but it's all good. It'll all work out. I'm gonna make my videos 20 minutes long on this, guys, because I'm filming in 4K, guys, and my battery goes down pretty quick, so I'm gonna try to get as much as I can out of this battery as I can, you know. And I'll charge it when I go to the next car show over on the other side of town. Charge it while I'm driving. But I film in 4K. That's why I kind of move kind of briskly sometimes, because I know I just got a limited amount of time on this battery because I film in 4K, not 1080. Got all these trucks out here. I like these trucks, man. Check out this gang up here. These are all the truckers out here, pickup trucks. Good morning, guys. How y'all doing?
Wondering how are you?
All right, I'm filming you guys on YouTube, man. Try to make you guys famous. Which one? What belongs to who? This is your, who's this powder blue? This your powder blue?
Yes, sir.
That's beautiful. I love that powder blue. This is my YouTube channel. If you guys want to see it later?
Okay.
Uncle 392. That's my channel right there. Yeah, I came out here last month. They didn't have hardly any turnout.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, they was right here. It was about maybe 20 cars. You sure, man? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. You too, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate you. What year is this truck right here?
77.
77. Okay.
Yeah, it's my great grandfather's truck.
Really?
Brand new in 1977.
He bought it brand new?
He did, yeah. Yeah. I've had it since 2017 and just been
Can I film the inside of it?
Absolutely, yeah. Yeah.
This is nice. I like these old trucks. My dad used to have a truck like this. That's why I'm interested in this one, because my dad, I forgot the year of it because I was a little kid. My dad had a truck like this. How's it run?
It's awesome.
Runs good?
Yes, sir. We just drove to C10 Nationals last weekend.
Oh, okay.
Drove all the way to Dallas and back.
Right. Oh, this is a custom? Ooh. SS. Check out that SS, guys. You know I love them SS's. Check this truck out right here. That's beautiful. Look at that color on that thing, man. Look at that color on that thing. Wow, that is awesome. Look at that thing, man. All right, let's move on, shall we? All right, let's go. $19.34. Let me get this in here. I never know which one I want to use as a thumbnail. That's why I like to get thumbnail positions right here like that. That's thumbnail. Let me go over. I didn't see this one. I came by earlier. Let me go check this out. Ooh, that's nice.
Here they said that, that we don't tend to
Beautiful.
weed bars with
I'm gonna wrap it up on this one. My 20 minutes, guys. I'm gonna start when I leave here. I'm gonna go to the next row. But he just came in. I wanted to get him on my channel because I came through here earlier. He wasn't here, so.
Yeah, them things there pretty good. Some diesel in there.
I bet that thing's fun to drive.
It's the most thing you can have fun with without taking your pants off.
Oh, listen to you.
Thing that I said, I like it.
Well, like I said, I hate the.
Well, you got the Mickey Thomas tires, guys.
Yes, sir.
Mickey Thomas. What year is this?
23.
23. Wow. It's beautiful.
That's supposed to be original.
I guarantee you.
Boy. Man, this is nice.
Actually, date. Things, you know, 101 years old.
All right, follow this pipe. Follow the pipe.
They're vintage 23.
Follow the
different.
pipe. Here we go. We're going up. Here we
Feel
go.
that back here? They're truck lights.
Boom.
Something.
There you go. Beautiful, man.
But I finally figured out though, the one thing you can put in there, and that's 93 octane. Going any lower than that,
Let me get a thumbnail shot right there. That's probably a good thumbnail, right? A little bit more.
no, it kind of does that, but it's
There you go. All right, guys, I'm going to end it right here. I'll see you guys on the other side later.